What's up, y'all? So I'm headed to go pick up my boat right now. Just got a fish finder installed on it. But you know, I gotta go drop it back in the lake, and this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna do it by myself. So we're gonna see how this gonna go. It's a pontoon boat, so it should be pretty easy. It's not a windy day, so we're gonna see how this gonna go. And I'll check back with y'all when I get up to the shop to pick it up. So what's up, y'all? I done made it up to the shop to get to the boat. Let's see. Here's the shop that I took it to out in Louisville. It's that Big Daddy's boat repair. So they're the ones who installed the fish finder for me. So let's get out here and see how it's looking. Alright, so we got the boat back up there, but I ain't got it installed yet. You see the back sonar part. Nice big transducer. Yep, very clean. Oh yeah, that's nice. So I just need to get this bottom part right here. So it comes with this piece.
Yeah, it's a bigger one.
Just a bigger ram mount.
Yeah.
Okay. I can get the Bass Pro. I seen them at Bass Pro.
And
Cabinet. Yeah. So got the boat hooked up. We headed to the lake, if you can see. See a big motherfucker back there. So we're headed to the lake to go try to drop this thing in. See what's going on. So okay, we're here at the lake. Got to do some strapping and see. Got it backed up pretty straight. Let me do this unstrapping and get this. I had to come over just a little bit more, but I think we're pretty straight on. I should back it up. Got it backed up in there. So y'all see I got it off. It wasn't too bad. Backed it up. It floated right off. So shit. Solo dolo. Now I gotta make this long ass hike back to the boat, dog. Cause I didn't want to leave my truck over there. Cause if you leave your truck over there, that's like a park or something, so you gotta pay a fee. So, I'm headed back over here and walk and go over here and get the boat. So shit, got it done. I thought it was gonna be harder than what it was. Dropped it back. First time I wasn't deep enough. I was throwing up mud everywhere. Then back a little bit more. Still wasn't. I just pushed them. Basically put it in full throttle reverse to get it off the trailer, to force it off the trailer. And once it got off the trailer, just a little bit to float, it was good to go. So, hey, if you need to put your pontoon in 25 foot by yourself, it ain't as hard as you think. If you can back a trailer up, make sure you just got your dock lines. Once you back the trailer up, make sure your dock lines are where you can get to it, and then crawl in the back of your truck so you don't get wet or whatever. If it's cold outside, you just crawl in the back of your truck, crawl over the trailer, get it on the boat, crank it up, throw it in reverse, back it off, hook it to the dock, get off the boat, pull the truck up, park the truck, go back, get the boat. That's how you do it. So if you need to do it by yourself, you know you can do it, do it. If you don't think you can do it, you can do it, because this is my first time doing it, and I did it with no issue. So if I can do it, you can do it. So tune back in to me. Billionaire Brent out. So you guys, this is what I had installed. I don't know if you can see it real good, but yeah, big boy. You know, when I'm out here fishing and stuff. So, but yeah, we got all kinds of functions in here. We got charge. We got down scan. And y'all know what that is. You see them little fish right there. You see them fish right there. So we're gonna, next time I'm out on the lake, you know, we'll see how it goes. It's a nice day to be out here today, but I want to do some cart stuff today, so I don't think I'm gonna be out on the lake. So, but we got this installed, so I'm happy about that. Got a couple more things I want to do to the boat. Get the audio system upgraded and put some lights underneath, so we can get closer to summertime next year. And this will be up for rent in the Dallas area. So if you're needing a boat to rent, I got this big 25-foot lounge fishing boat. Got a little small grill over there too, so if you want to come out here and chill. But next year, that's what I'm looking at doing, is renting out my boat, jet skis and everything. So so we can see if we can do something. There ain't no use of me, you know, enjoying it all to myself. Put it out there, let some other people enjoy it, because I don't always get to enjoy it as much as I need to. So, but I'll check back in with y'all later on.